Hello everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. Today we are starting a series on control flow statements in Java. In the first lecture we will cover if, else and else if statements. These are essentials for making decisions in our code. Let's dive in. Control flow statements are the backbone of decision making in any programming language. They allow us to execute certain parts of our code based on some condition and to repeat section of code efficiently. We will start with the if statement. The if statement is used to execute a block of code only if a specific condition is true. Here is the example. Int number is equal to 10, and if number is greater than 5, I will print that the number is greater than 5. Let me save this code and run for you, and in the console you can see it is printing the number is greater than 5. So the condition number greater than 5 is true, so it is printing the statement in the console. Next will be the else statement. Sometimes we need to execute one block of code if a condition is true and another block of code if a condition is false. This is where else comes in. Now let me change the value of a number equal to 3, and I will add else block, and again sys out, and this time I will type the number is not greater than 5. Let me save and run. So here number is not greater than 5, so the if condition is false, so the else block is get executed and it is printing the number is not greater than 5. Next will be the else if. What if we have multiple condition to check? We use else if in that case. So again, now let me again change the number equal to 5, and what I will do, I will add one else if condition here. Here I will check number equal to 5, and I will add one sys out statement. The number is exactly 5. If I save this code and execute, so in this example the else if condition number equal to 5 is true, so it is printing the number is exactly 5 in the console. Remember one thing, in your control flow statement it will execute either if or else if or else, whatever condition got satisfied. It will never happen that it is executing if, else if and else all the three blocks. Just remember this thing. So to summarize, we have learned how to use if, else and else if statements to make decisions in our code. These control flow statements are fundamental for creating complex logic in our programs. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.